Roadside RC, we are still attempting to do the ultimate wheelie, right? So it's still June, we're still attempting to do the Driftomaniacs Ultimate Wheelie Championship. So what you've done is, you've seen us do long, super long straight wheelie 4x4 Outcast. 18 seconds, not quite good enough for like first place with 4-wheel drive. You've seen us do entry number 4 style, which is jumping over me. Again, pretty good. But Logan, we need to win. We need to do something 2-wheel drive. Yeah. Now, Logan, how many 2-wheel drive vehicles do we have?
Maybe one.
One. Which one's the one?
The drift car.
Yes, the drift car. Hard plastic tires, drift car. Do you think it's going to do a wheelie?
Of course.
Not. Okay, so of course not. So that means we have to take something that we own and we have to make it 2-wheel drive. So the victim in this situation is going to be the Wraith. So we need to make the Wraith 2-wheel drive, which is going to be pretty simple. It already has a locked center diff in it, so all we're going to do is remove the front drive shaft. Look, one drive shaft out of the front of the Wraith. Alright, battery installed. Definitely only a rear-wheel drive Wraith. In fact, you can just see the drive shaft in there spinning. Spinning, 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 spinning. Alright, let's do a wheelie. We have a problem, Logan.
Yep.
Let's see. High traction surface. High traction driveway. So now we have a problem, which is
It won't do a wheelie.
it won't do a wheelie. So it'll pull the front wheel off a little bit, like it's trying. So we need to do something about this.
Maybe we should add weight to the back.
Put more weight on the back.
Wow, look at that! Even both of the kids can figure this out. Let's see if we can't modify this. Okay, so we put some weight back there, but the truth is, that's not enough to get it to wheelie, I don't think.
Let's try.
Okay, let's try.
We all...
Okay, with some weight on. Oh, it's closer.
So close.
It's
Well,
closer.
not so close. Closer.
Closer.
It wants to go down.
Yeah, it's pulling a little bit right. That might be our precision machine, like, you know, weight adding might not be exactly in the center.
Yeah, you can see it.
The whole body's leaned a little bit right.
Yeah, you see how
Alright, so crawler tires, I am sorry, because this is going to hurt, I think. Yeah, so what about that? I think those rear tires are hating life. Okay, so we've just added a lot more metal.
Ooh.
Will it basically sit there? This might work, sir. This might work.
This is what... It'll just sit there.
That's how you make a Wraith wheelie.
No, you ready? It's not as far as it goes, it'll just time. You ready?
You are so right.
It's not how far it goes, it's time.
Richie, I think we just broke your challenge.
No, just let this sit like this overnight.
Did you say that the wheelie had to be moving? Because I'm pretty sure my 9-year-old just broke your challenge. It's the forever wheelie. Logan has created the forever wheelie. All right, so with a vast amount of weight on the rear of the Wraith, and let's remember, 2-wheel drive Wraith. We have no front drive at the moment. Okay, so the problem here is I still can't turn. We're moving. Oh, don't fall over. Don't fall over. We almost need a wheel back there or something, Logan.
Yeah, it's kind of...
Look how embarrassing my grass is at the moment. Alright. Trying again.
No, it went straight.
Nope, it's going in a circle. Don't fall over. Don't fall over.
Don't fall over.
This is the most boring wheelie ever by man.
It looks like it's walking.
It is, it's trying, it keeps getting caught. Alright, we're still going. We're still going. This is a long wheelie. I still need ability to steer. And come on! Ah! Boom. So, we're still finding out the same thing that we found out with the Outcast, which is we're distance limited. You're still, even with something as ridiculous as this, we're still distance limited and ability to control it doing whatever it wants limited.
Yeah, but it's going slower.
It is going slower. So if we get lucky, we should be able to bang out a like 5-minute long wheelie with the Wraith, but it's all about getting lucky instead of being good.
You can make an hour long.
So how do we make it more predictable? I think part of the problem is these rear tires. Look at that! I'm feeling sorry for these tires at the moment. Like, that's pretty
Those
bad.
are expensive tires too.
But kind of. And so maybe let's play with something different. See what we can do. So, I wonder if that'll work. I think.
It actually works! It actually works!
Let's see. Oh, it just doesn't make a tight enough corner.
Not for, well, for in the garage it does. But out there,
Actually, it does depending on
how fast you do it.
how much gas I give it. So a slow, little, I can actually drive it.
Oh, that is awesome.
More gas means more.
Now we both broke the challenge.
I could go forever.
Well, actually I can, because you have battery limited. I don't have to have battery.
Huh. Well. I slowed down too much. Look, slow, fast, slow, fast. Huh. Whoa, I almost lost it. Started to play around. Make a big circle, make a small circle, make a big circle, make a small. For some reason, I'm just like naturally wanting to steer the tire. Like sitting here trying to actually steer the front end.
How is it different? Like you control like not with
Yeah, not with the front end, but with the rear end. Ta-da!
It says 2S.
3S.
Well,
Doesn't matter.
I meant two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive. The front tires are absolutely not spinning at all.
Yeah.
This is
Don't worry, you still can do that because we'll put the drive shaft back in this way.
Yeah.
Didn't do my idea.
Yeah.
And you were still doing perfect. You were super based on the 3 challenges.
Well,
How? Remember we won those.
oh, mommy's home. I'm thinking that's pretty good. So, obviously, I think we figured out the secret to the success. If we need to, we can always come back and do a longer one if we really need to. Please, somebody come beat this. Please, somebody. We want you to. So, hey, that was fun.